Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Gina, and as you can see, my makeup is a bit extreme today. I've got a lot of makeup on, some blush, lipstick, and amazing eyeshadow. This was done by my mom, and I love it. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Some of you will probably be like, ew, what the hell was that? Anyways, some of you will probably be like, ew, what the fuck is her problem? Well, the thing about me is that I would go out in public like this, because one, it's freaking awesome. Look at my eyebrows. They're like 3. So yeah, this is just a random video saying, what's up, bitches? Hate on me if you want to. Just kidding. I mean, if you want to hate on me, go ahead. But I just thought I would show you this amazing look my mom did. I mean, it's freaking cool. And I just love it a lot. So this really was a pointless video, and hopefully I will be getting new stuff to you soon. So, bye!